The world outside is a dismal expanse of gray. Skyscrapers loom overhead, barely visible through the thick fog and smog. The air feels dense, and the world is silent, save for the faint hum of drones and distant traffic. The room is cramped, sparse, and dull. The walls are made of metal panels with minimal furniture, an old squeaky bed, a folding table, and a cracked screen showing the world's economic status. Alex, disheveled and tired, is sitting on the edge of his bed, staring at the gray walls. His clothes are tattered. He looks hopeless. A thin, transparent screen hovers in front of his eyes, displaying the end of his virtual free trial notification. Free trial period ends in 1 hour. Upgrade now to continue enjoying your experience. Another day, another digital prison. He flicks the screen away, clearly frustrated. He picks up his phone, checks it, an endless scroll of financial reports and societal statistics. Suddenly, his fingers hover over the AI-powered contact lenses on his nightstand. A temptation. He hesitates, then reaches for them. Alex now stands on a pristine beach, the sun setting in the distance, the sound of waves crashing. His clothes have transformed into a stylish beach outfit, his posture more confident. He looks around, wide-eyed, marveling at the bright colors, the perfect temperature. His entire demeanor shifts. He smiles. He's free, even if it's only virtual. This is unreal. A holographic virtual host appears beside him, glowing with artificial warmth. Welcome to your dream vacation, Alex. Would you like to upgrade your experience? A private yacht, perhaps? Or a VIP lounge? Alex, grinning and overwhelmed, says, "This is exactly what I needed." He takes a deep breath, and for the first time in a long while, he feels at ease. The weight of his container apartment, of the outside world, of his crushing debts seems to evaporate. The scene shifts. Alex is now standing in the middle of a dazzling, high-energy virtual party. Holographic people surround him, all dancing and socializing. This is perfect. He takes a sip from a virtual drink as a virtual girl approaches him, extending her hand. "Would you care to dance, Alex?" Alex hesitates for a split second, but then takes her hand. Isn't it nice? A life without limits. He nods, his excitement growing. But then his hand reaches to adjust his contact lenses. The image flickers, just for a moment. A glitch in the virtual paradise. Suddenly, everything glitches. The bright, colorful beach and party vanish, replaced by the dim, narrow walls of his container. Alex is back in his reality, startled. He blinks hard, trying to clear his vision. Your free trial period has ended. Please upgrade your subscription to continue your premium experience. What? No, no, no. Alex quickly scrambles to check his account balance on a nearby screen. His face falls as he sees the stark reality. His funds are low. He can't afford the subscription. Alex sits on his bed, staring at the lens case, lost in thought. The world outside is dark, quiet, suffocating. Inside, he's unsure whether the virtual world is his escape or his trap. If you can't afford to live in the real world, maybe the virtual world is all you have left. The camera pulls back, showing his small, isolated apartment.